Hello. In the last video we saw how to display a single as file using ChatGPT and very simple prompts. I also promised that we will have a look at multiple as files in the ChatGPT and try and see if we can display them and analyze them. That video is still in the making. However, in the meantime, I thought I will test ChatGPT using the geophysical data. So I'm going to give it a very simple exercise and see if it can compute the RC series from a real exercise from one of the class that I took, and also see if it can create the RGB blends using the images from multiple frequency volumes or the time slices actually. So this is the exercise that I have, and the exercise requires the student to compute the reflection coefficient series using this formula. I'm not going to give any context to ChatGPT and see if it is able to crack this. If not, then I'll try to give it a context. So I'm going to copy this image and ask it to analyze it. So starting from the top, you can see it has understood that there is a formula written here and it has to utilize that. So it has computed the reflection coefficient series. It has understood that there is density and velocity in this formula. It has looked at the interfaces and found that there are 7 interfaces and 6 layers. It has started to analyze it and it has given me the RC series for each of them. Let me try to ask if it can plot this RC series. Okay, so it has computed the reflection coefficient series, but I would like it to display this in the vertical format. So I'm going to ask it. So it is not plotting the reflection coefficient series as I would have expected it. So let's try to train it a little bit more. Let me try and ask it if it can rescale the plot. This is good. This is what I expected from it. So with little effort, it is able to actually follow the instructions and provide the output that I was expecting. Let's now see if it can create the RGB blends of the 3 different frequency stratal slices that I have. So they are 8, 16 and 25 Hertz frequency snaps, which I am going to download it here. And see if it can blend them. So it seems to have encountered some error, but it is trying to mitigate it. So it is saying that it has resized the image and displayed, but it has not displayed it. So I will try to ask it, can you please display the blended image? So it's currently unable to directly display the image. How it can save the blended image? Okay, so it's saving it, and probably it'll give me the path. Okay, so this is the download path. I'm going to download the file and display it. Wow, not too bad. I think it has done quite a good job of blending the 3 seismic images, displaying different frequencies. So some of the next videos will experiment with more geophysics data and some of the petrophysical data. Thank you very much.